Every voyage has a course, every sailor a destination. But what if the map is blank? What if the compass spins without end?
What is the meaning of life?
Good morning everyone, I am John Rocky C. Casino, and in this video, I will break down the elements that I have used in my social advocacy video entitled Tides of the Mind. So first, let's talk about the concept and emotional framing. So I used ocean metaphors to illustrate hidden struggles among students. By starting the video with bright, confident visuals, viewers feel safe and that everything is fine. This contrast makes the reveal of hidden struggles more emotionally powerful. And now let's move on to the music and sound design. So music drives emotion throughout the videos. It gives a minor key, slower tempo which evokes empathy and concern, reflecting the storm beneath the calm. So emotional pacing guides viewers' feelings without explicit explanation. Music mirrors the ocean metaphor, such as calm waves to storm to gentle sunrise. Now for the color grading and visual effects. So in the previous video, I have used multiple color effects such as warm sunlight, soft focus, and golden tones. The second is cool blues and grays, which depicts hidden struggles at night settling with stormy currents. And the last color palette that I've used is the warm light returns, which signals hope and support as well as relief. So colors create a subconscious emotional response that aligns with the ocean metaphors. The fourth one is text and copywriting. So text is short, powerful, and builds tension. Short sentences plus line by line guides reveals attention and creates emotional, mimicking the rise and fall of the ocean water. The fifth one is the social and psychological triggers. So, students can identify with hidden stress. The contrast between surface calm and hidden turmoil draws viewers in and encourages empathy and behavior change. So, this combines empathy, social responsibility, and visual metaphor to inspire action. Lastly, we have the ocean inspired symbolism. So, the calm surface means that outward strength and control. The storm beneath means internal pressure and anxiety, and the light breaking through waves is the hope reaching out and support. So, this reinforces the theme while giving the video a maritime, student centered identity. So that's all for this video. I hope you've learned something about my social advocacy video about anxiety. Till next time, bye.